So, welcome back again. Today we are going to learn that how we change the sentences from direct narration into indirect narrations. Today we will learn the changing of direct narration into indirect narration of assertive sentences only. So today we will learn about the assertive sentences. So assertive sentences. Assertive sentence. Do you know that the assertive sentence have the two parts? First is the affirmative sentence and second is the negative sentence. So here an example. Ram said to me, I am going, and Ram said to me, I am not going. So this is also assertive sentence. This is also assertive sentence. What is the difference between two? This is affirmative sentence. I am going and I am not going is the negative sentence. But we can say that both sentences are assertive sentences. Is it clear? So how it will be changed into the indirect voice? So let us see. The first of all, here you are to note down that today we will learn only the changing of those direct narration who have a assertive sentence only. In the inverted commas, the dialogue will be in assertion. डायलॉग होगा जो वो हमारा असर्शन जो होगा वो हमारा अफर्मेटिव में होगा और या फिर नेगेटिव में होगा. We are not going to learn about for the changing of interrogative or exclamatory. So we will learn those later. बाद में हम उनको सीखेंगे. आज हम सिर्फ ये सीखेंगे कि असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस का डायरेक्ट नरेशन से इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में चेंजिंग कैसे होता है. So first is subject rules. First rule set to be changed in the assertive sentences set to it change into told. We know earlier. So set to become told. And me, nothing here is the connector. What we use the connector? That. So connector will be that. Second rule is the changing. Now it is the pronoun. So pronoun changing rule is yes or yes. 1, 2, 3. You know. Yes or 1, 2, 3. This is the first person pronoun. It will go to subject of the sentence, reporting verb. So Ram will come here, and as we know that Ram have been used earlier in the sentence, so pronoun is necessary here. So pronoun for the Ram it will be he. Very clear. Next rule is change of tenses. So it is present continuous tense. Ismr is present continuous, so it will become past continuous. Whole present block is shifted to the past. So present indefinite is changed into the past indefinite. So he was going. So he was. Ram told me that he was going. Negative. So Ram said to become told. Ram told me. Connector that he. Now I am going. He was going. So I am not going. He was not going. So simple. So pronoun again goes to the subject He is a man is changed into was. So was not, it is negative, so it will be negative also, and it is going. So this is the third.
First person subject is second person noun.
First person pronoun are changed as per subject. Second person are changed as per object, and third person pronoun are not changed. Another example. Mohan said to me, you do not help me. Ram said to me, you do not help me. So will be assertive sentences. So Mohan told me, character that. Second person pronoun, it will go to the object. So here will be me. Me is earlier, it is has come earlier. So I, because it is a connector, one sentence will come before the connector and one sentence come after the connector. So me we cannot write, me नहीं लिखा जा सकता, because any sentence cannot take starting from me. Me was going सही नहीं है, sentence हमेशा I से शुरू होता है. It is the subjective case. So subjective case क्या होगा me का I. भाई हमें subject से ही start करना है. So subjective case is necessary. So I do not become did. Present indefinite, do not, does not. Do does in the present indefinite. It is changed into the past indefinite, so it will become did not. So did not help. Did not help me. It is first person pronoun. It will go to the subject Mohan. So Mohan will come here. So Mohan. But Mohan is already used in the sentence. So we need pronoun for the Mohan. So Mohan के लिए दो pronoun आप यूज कर सकते हो, तीन, या तो आप यूज कर दो he या फिर कर दो him, ये दोनों यूज कर सकते हो. अब what is correct, he or him? So him is correct because it is subjective case. It comes at the place of subject only. It comes at the place of object. अब सेंटेंस, अच्छा सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को कैसे फाइंड आउट किया जाता है? जो आपकी मेन वर्ब है ये, इसके पहले जो आता है वो सब्जेक्टिव केस होता है और इसके बाद में जो आएगा वो ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में आना चाहिए. सो ही अगर लगा देते हैं तो इट इज सब्जेक्टिव केस, इसको तो भाई पहले आना चाहिए था. एंड इट कम्स आफ्टर द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, आफ्टर द वर्ब, तो देन इट विल टेक द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. ऑब्जेक्ट का मतलब ही होता है वर्ब के पहले अगर कोई चीज आ रही है तो दैट इज सब्जेक्टिव केस. वर्ब के बाद जो भी चीजें आता है दोज आर कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट. सो दिस विल कम द ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट. क्लियर? लेट अस मूव ऑन. Rahul said to me, I will read book. I will read book. Sentence is assertive, starting with the subject, so it is assertive sentence. Same rule will be applied. So Rahul said to change into told. Rahul told me, connector is used there. First person pronoun is changed at per subject. So I first person है, it will go to the Rahul. Rahul के लिए pronoun हम लगा सकते हैं he. Bill he changed into would. So will, he changed into would. Shall into should. Can into could. May into might. So I have told you. So will be would. He would read the book. So this is done. Okay. Another examples. Let us see. Raj said to me, Ram was guilty. Ram was guilty. This is the sentence. So Raj said to me means told him, he telling something ना, कुछ बता रहा है. क्या बता रहा है? राम was guilty. राम की यार गलती थी. So Ram was guilty. ये बता रहा है तो हमने कर दिया told me. Ram told me. Character will be that. Very clear. Now what is this? This is third person pronoun. He, she, it, they, and Ram, Shyam, Sita, Rita, Geeta. So these are the third person pronoun. So third person pronoun are never changed. So कभी ये बदलते नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे राम रेडी है. राम वाज का कहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करेंगे? वाज इज द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस आर चेंज इनटू नहीं. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस की चेंजिंग तो पास्ट में हो सकती है, बट पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस आर चेंज इनटू द पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. मैंने आपको एक बार फिर से रिकैप करवा दूं. जो पास्ट ब्लॉक होता है 1 2 3, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. दीज आर द 4 ब्लॉक ऑफ पास्ट. सो पास्ट के ये 4 ब्लॉक होते हैं. वहां पे रूल था कि पहला वाला थर्ड में चला जाएगा, यही बताया था. दूसरा वाला